Hi guys, welcome back to Shit I Made Without a Recipe. Today I'm making a creamy chicken and bacon pasta. I'm just shredding up a leftover chicken breast and a little bit of thigh, just whatever meat that we had left on the roast chook we made the night before. Dice up an onion. In the back you can see that the water for the pasta is already boiling. This recipe, seriously, it only took about 15 minutes to make. Really fast, really easy. Once you've got your onions diced and your pan preheating, just gonna salt the water, chuck our pasta in, get that started cooking. By the time the pasta is cooked, your sauce will be cooked as well. Let's just chop up your bacon, however thick or thin you want it. Chunk these bits up a bit. Throw your onion in. And just cook that off a little bit. Give the bacon a little bit of colour. Give the onions a little bit of colour. I'm going to throw in some minced garlic. Once again, just follow your heart. Garlic makes everything better. If you've got some frozen peas, however many you want, I used about 1.5 cups. Throw in your shredded chicken breast and chicken bits, whatever you've got left over. And a good amount of thickened cream. That's the big 600ml bottle. I used maybe 400ml in there. Bit of salt. Bit of freshly ground black pepper. And just let that simmer while you're waiting for your pasta to finish cooking. And like I said, this is really fast and really easy. Everyone loves it. The baby loves it. Grate in some Parmesan cheese. You don't have to. Put some mozzarella in. It just helps thicken up the sauce and adds a bit more flavour. So your pasta's cooked, drain it off, add your sauce, and give it a really good mix and let it sit. Let it sit for maybe 5 minutes, just so that the sauce will thicken up and it'll absorb into the pasta. It'll make it nice and rich and creamy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you try it out yourself. See you next time. Bye.